to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing you guys a tutorial on this look that I have on right now, and it is featuring the new Desi X Katy collaboration with Dose of Colors. I did get the palette, a highlighter, and a liquid lipstick, or the velvet liquid lipstick that they came out with. So I used the new Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors, and look at this palette, you guys. It's absolutely incredible. These shades are amazing. So as I was using the mattes, they did blend amazingly. They are very smooth and with little to no fallout at all, which actually surprised me, because especially for the shimmer shade, as you guys can see, it's very metallic and foiled looking on my eyes, and I only applied concealer under it and I didn't wet the eyeshadow. These metallics, you guys, are very shimmery and foiled, which is everything I would want in an eyeshadow palette. This really gets an A+ for me. This is an amazing palette. I can't wait to play with this blue one and also this cranberry shade. So if you guys want more tutorials regarding this palette, I would love to do them. So just let me know down below or give me a thumbs up. But yeah, so I used quite a few of the shimmer shades and also the matte shades to do this look that I have on my face right now. And I also got their new, well, it's not new, but their highlighter in the shade Fuego. And look at this packaging too. It matches with the eyeshadow palette and I'm completely living for it. It's amazing. But this is the highlighter shade in the shade Fuego, and I actually have it on my cheeks right now and I love it. On my lips is one of their velvet liquid lipsticks, which is the shade My Main. So that's what I have on my lips right now, and this is what it looks like. I will also have swatches of the palette, the highlighter, and the liquid lipstick at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. I do love the eyeshadow palette. With all of the shades that I used so far, I was really surprised at how pigmented they were and how easily they blended. And also for the shimmer shades, they were actually like foiled pigments stuck in a pan, and I love it. It was super bold and bright right away as I applied it all over my lids, so I'm really happy about that. The liquid lipstick is a new formula by Dose of Colors, and this is the velvet liquid lipstick. As you guys can see, this shade is amazing. It's like the perfect amount of brown, nude, and peach all together, so it's the perfect everyday nude color. I feel like in every skin tone you would look so amazing with this lippy on, and it feels so good, you guys. The highlighter looks completely amazing. You guys can see it from the camera, and you guys will see it too as I apply it. But I truly love everything that I got from this collection, and I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial that I did for you guys and the swatches. Without further ado, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Hi loves, so we're going to be diving into the palette right away, and this packaging is everything, you guys. So as for the first transition shade, I'm going to be putting down Necessary, which is this amazing, it's like the perfect transition color. I can't even describe it. It's like a flesh nude brown color, and it's perfect, I feel, for every skin tone for like your transition shade. Right after that, I'm going to be picking up the shade Churro, and it's going to be a darker brown, so I'm placing that right underneath where we put Necessary, and we're just going to blend those two colors together. And then next, for my cut crease, I'm going to be picking up some concealer on this flat shader brush, and I'm just going to be placing that to get this cut crease all over my lid, and then I'm going to make sure that I'm shaping it out carefully. So you guys can just take your time. As you guys can see here, I'm kind of just carving out where I want the curve to be, and then I'm going to be filling in the rest of my lids. And for the star of the show, I'm going to be picking up the shade Dirty Money, which is this amazing green gold shade that Desi and Katy created. I can't wait to play with the other shimmer shades just because this one came out so beautiful. So I'm going to be placing that right on top of the concealer that I had just put down for the cut crease, and just making sure that everything is blended out and all over the lid. And then I'm going back into the palette and I'm picking up the shade 𝒫𝓿𝐬𝐬𝑒𝐻. And we're going to be using this shade to smoke out the outer part of the crease area and towards the lower part of the eye, as you guys can see here. And I'm kind of bringing it forward towards my crease area. And then I'm going to be picking up this fluffy brush to blend all of the browns together. I have been completely obsessed with the Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty. This liner is amazing. It goes on smoothly and easily and super black and very pigmented, and it lasts me all day, so it's been my go-to favorite liquid liner. So I'm just going to be creating a very dramatic wing, and then after that I'm going to be applying some mascara and popping on some lashes from the Makeup Shack in the style Molly.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
So for my brow bone highlight, I picked up the shade Basic from the palette and just went ahead and applied it. And I also applied my face makeup, my foundation, concealer, and bronzer off camera. Going back into the palette, I'm picking up the shade Necessary and also Churro and 𝒫𝓿𝐬𝐬𝑒𝐻 to kind of blend all over my lower lashes to pull the whole look together and smoke it out. I'm going to be picking up the shade Just a Kiss, and this is a super foiled eyeshadow, and I'm placing that as my inner corner highlight, and I am completely obsessed with this eyeshadow. I was watching Desi and Katy's reveal video about this palette, and they said that this is pure pigment, like just shimmer, and they're completely right. It's beautiful. After that, I'm gonna be picking up this ColourPop gel liner in the shade, I believe, Dirty Money. I'll have everything down below, or Dirty Talk. I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested in the products that I'm using. As for my lips, I'm gonna be picking up the shade New Truffle by NYX, and it's their lip liner. And then right on top of that, I'm gonna be picking up my main new Velvet Liquid Lipstick by Dose of Colors from their collection. And last but not least, I'm going to be picking up 𝒮𝑜𝒹𝓊, which is their highlighter, and I'm going to be proceeding to apply that all over my cheeks. And that completes this whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as you guys can see, I got extremely obsessed with this highlighter, so I'm just placing it along the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead because it's bomb. And yeah, I'm gonna be inserting swatches. I thank you guys for watching this video. Love you, and I will see you on the next one. Alright you guys, so that's everything for today's video. I really hope you truly loved it, just like I loved making the video. I had so much fun with this collection. I can't wait to play with the palettes more and play with the other shades. If you guys want more tutorials on this palette, let me know. I would love to do them for you guys. Just give me a thumbs up or a comment down below. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I do a video. And also, I will link down my previous video. I do have a giveaway open right now, so if you guys would like to enter that, just go ahead and click the link down below. You guys will love the prices. If you watch the video till the end, I do reveal the prices for that giveaway, and I'm really excited for it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!